And there is no date yet on when the NBI will file another criminal case against individuals involved in the misuse of public funds. The NBI says it still has not received the go signal from Justice Secretary Leila De Lima. More from Noel Perfecto.
The National Bureau of Investigation does not yet have a formal statement on the second submission of the PDAF case to the Ombudsman. This was what OIC Luigi De Lemos told the media man in his office earlier. Attorney De Lemos said that the NBI Special Task Force is all set for the filing of the case involving 10 legislators based on the prior statement of Attorney Levi Baligod, lawyer of the whistleblowers. De Lemos says that they are just waiting for the mandate of Justice Secretary Leila De Lima as to submit the case to the Ombudsman.
Hindi ko alam kung ano ang naging source ni Attorney Baligod. It's for him to say kung sino ang mga andon. Pero sa ngayon kasi wala pa ako nakikitang formal report from our Special Task Force kaya hindi ko mako-confirm kung tama yung mga binanggit niyang pangalan doon.
Pero you're just waiting for the signal. Order?
Oo, inaantay lang namin yung order ni Secretary kung kailan kami magpa-file ng next batch sa Office of the Ombudsman.
Regarding the third PDAF case, including the plunder case against groups of legislators in the Congress, De Lemos says that he was not yet informed about it, but said that NBI is prepared for any scenario in the coming days. Meanwhile, on the alleged fake Saros scam in the DBM Region 2, De Lemos says that the Anti-Graft Division of the Bureau has coordinated with DBM and has already gone to the region to investigate the said incident. De Lemos did not name the employee who may possibly stand as the witness to the alleged Saros scam.
Anti-graft ang nag-iimbestiga dyan at ayon sa kanilang briefing, meron yatang staff ng isang kongresista sa Region 2 na kinakailangan ay ma-interview or ipatawag ng NBI para malinawan itong buong usapin ng unreleased unsigned SARO na nakarating sa Region 2.
But yung NBI po ay patuloy pa rin ang pag-imbestiga.
Tuloy-tuloy po ang pag-iimbestiga natin dyan sa unreleased at unsigned SARO sa na request ni Secretary Abad noong October.
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfect.